another fragrance haul that I need to unbox in front of you guys right now. So stay tuned. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video, another fragrance haul, and I am excited. Was that the bottle opener from last time? I don't remember, probably, but let's just open up the first one because we have a lot today, and I don't want to make this video way too long, okay? Let's see what I have because I don't remember. Oh yeah, this is something I really wanted for the longest time, Born in Roma, Coral Fantasy. I love this one, and I can't believe I haven't gotten myself a bottle of this one yet. So beautiful, probably my favorite Valentino Born in Roma alongside Born in Roma Intense. Beautiful, beautiful bottle, and I'm excited for this one. Let's give it. Oh yeah, beautiful. My favorite Born in Roma. That's the first unboxing for today. Let's move on to the next one just because we have a lot today to cover. And I don't want to make this video way too long. Oh my God, this one smells so good. The same Born in Roma DNA, but different. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see what we have here with this one right now. Oh, Invictus Victory Elixir. I smelled that one like briefly on a tester strip, but I never really worn it or anything. So let's see. Oh, this is fantastic. This one is fantastic. Invictus Victory Elixir. It's fantastic as I remember. Let's go to the next one because we have a lot to cover and I don't want to make this video way too long. Okay. All right. Let's see what we have here. I don't even know if we only have fragrances or not because I don't know. We'll just figure things out right now. There's a sample of Tremendous Parfum de Fleur. I have no idea what that is. I'm just gonna check it out. If you guys are familiar with this one, let me know in the comment section down below. But this is a dupe. I've never smelled it. I've heard that it is good, so I was like, F it. Let's just buy it and see how good it is. On TikTok shop, I've heard that it costs only like $12, $15 or so. I paid $35 for this one, but still $35 still okay for this packaging right now. This is a total blind buy, and I've heard it smells like Tiger or Vibrato or Vibrator. That's how I call it. Anyway, I don't want to spray my table. Spray is not bad. Honestly, it smells very light, but the other previous two fragrances, they were very strong. That's all I can smell. But this one smells very light citrusy. I need to get back to that. I just can't really smell it as much. It smells very, very light. So I'll get back to you with that if it's a good dupe for Vibrato or Tiger. Let's move to the next one. Let's get this one first. All right. Aren't you guys excited when you just get new stuff? Another Tremendous sample? What is that Tremendous brand? Parfum de Fleur. Tremendous. I bought these two fragrances from two different people, probably two different people, and they send me the same exact sample. We'll see. Probably this one, it's famous or something. I'll let you guys know. At least I have two samples of this one to know it a little bit more. This one, I forgot what it was. John Varvatos Artisan Pure. I reviewed that one probably 7 years ago, probably 6 years ago or something, but I never got myself a bottle of it. As far as I remember, it was very good, very citrusy, but a little bit old schoolish. So let's remind myself of this one. Sprayer is very bad. Firstly, it smells a little different as far as I remember, and it's very light as well. But after this one and that one, I didn't know what I have. So these two are very strong, especially that one. So that's all I can smell right now in the air. But this one smells fresh. Yeah, now I can smell it, but it smells a little different as far as I remember, which is okay, not bad. Okay, let's go. Let's move on to the next box. Next box, next box. Don't you guys love it when I do unboxing stuff? Okay, come on, box. Open up, box. I'm excited, box. Let's see what I have, box. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Another one, another, oh. Oh, okay. One I really wanted and one I haven't smelled yet. Now I remember which fragrances are these. One I'm just gonna have to spray on a tester strip and hopefully I'll be able to smell it because seriously I sprayed too many fragrances and there's a big melange of fragrances right now in front of me. So come on, I can't wait. This is something I really wanted to because I love the EDP and I wanted the Boisé version. Gentleman Eau de Parfum Boisé. Oh my God, I love this one. Oh yeah. Yep. But seriously, guys, this one I know it is strong, so I was able to smell it, but literally like the elixir and the coral fantasy, like really, and now this one as well. Oh my God, this one's so good too. Really like dominating the show. So these two fragrances actually are very light compared to the other ones. So that's why I need to smell them on its own. Probably I'm just gonna do a different video or something. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna do reviews anyway. I'm gonna do comparison videos about everything here. I'm gonna do like top 10s and top 20,000. Do you guys wanna do a top 20,000? No, 20,000's a little bit stretching it, right? Okay, this one I haven't smelled, but I've heard way too many good things about it. It's a very good gourmand. A lot of people recommended it for me. I know it's gonna be feminine, but gourmands usually tend to be feminine, so I don't really care. Okay, just gonna have to. All right, Bianco Latte. This is Giardini di Toscana Bianco Latte. All right. This is gonna be a very first impressions because honestly, I don't remember or recall smelling this one before. too many smells. Oh, okay. I like this. The caramel here is very apparent. I like this one. But honestly, I need to smell it on its own because I've just way too many things going on all together. So it's not easy for me. So let's see. Target, is that a fragrance or a Target buy? I don't know. Hopefully I wouldn't embarrass myself in front of the camera. Okay, what is that? What is that? You know when you buy stuff and you forgot what you... Oh, that one. Oh, I really wanted that one for the longest time. This is a tester bottle of Elysium Eau Intense. I've had a sample, like a decant of this one last summer that I used all of it and I loved it. And I finally got myself a bottle of this one, Elysium Eau Intense. Beautiful scent, very floral, jasmine-y. So if you're not into that, probably it's not gonna be for you, but I just love it the way it is. Some people, they just prefer, yep. And it's strong too. So like literally, it is a fresh fragrance, but I can't smell it because it is strong. It is very prominent. Unlike the other two light fragrances, that was like very light for me to be able to smell like on the spot after all these fumes that I sprayed in front of you guys. So this is pretty much it, guys. So Bianco Latte. I need to wear this one. This one is beautiful. I really wanted that one too. This one is phenomenal as well. I'm really interested and I can't wait just to have this fragrance on to wear it, to give it a full wearing, because like literally the opening is fantastic. This one definitely I'm gonna be wearing spring and summer time a lot. This one got me tons of compliments last summer. I kid you not. That's why I really wanted to get myself a bottle of this one. This one you just can't go wrong with Coral Fantasy. Beautiful one. And Al Turathi Afnan. Turathi Afnan. Um, it's, um, it's a dupe of Tiger. So we'll find that out one day. And of course, Artisan Pure, which is a good one as well. As far as I remember, that was kind of like a little bit old schoolish. It tend to have like a little bit old schoolish flares into it. As far as I remember reviewing it 6, 7 years ago. I'm just gonna look for that review, and probably I'm just gonna link it down below if you're interested to watch. I remember I was invited to a cabin at Yucca Valley. If you're from LA and like in the middle of the desert, that's what I did that review outside as well. It was a good review, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested to watch it. So let me know which is your favorite from all these fragrances right here. I don't want to break anything, but I can't grab them all at once. But probably that's going to be like a good uh, shot for this video. Thumbnail, that's what I meant to say. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.